Hello, everyone, and my name is Saif Rourou. Our team specializes in developing and designing front-end and back-end systems. We have developed the decision support system for sustainable farm management and resource optimization. As you know, the world faces the challenges of climate change, resource depletion. So it's clear that we need some solutions to manage farm operations and which needs to be evolved. So this is where the decision support system come in. It's designed to assist farmers and agricultural managers to make informed, data-driven decisions that promote both environmental and economic sustainability. So the idea is simple. By integrating data from various sources, such as weather patterns, crop performance, or environmental impact, we can provide farmers with the tools they need to make better decisions. As you can see in this slide, our primary goal is to provide tools that make farm management more efficient and informed. The system aims to offer a map-based interface to manage farms, enable simulation and analysis of farm data, provide real-time insights like weather and yield forecast, and finally, it facilitates the decision-making through statistical analysis. Now I will guide you through the system user interfaces. As you can see, this is the dashboard. It's the central hub of the system. It includes time tracker, e-calendar, and a summary matrix of data visualization of different farms, crops, and livestock. In the next slide, you can see the interface to manage your farms. This is an interactive map that displays farm locations. As you can see, we have 3 different farms. One created for grass forage, the other for wheat farm, and so on. So these farms can be easily managed through this interactive map. So users can easily navigate between farms and change them geographically or using the list panel on the right side. In the next interface, you can see as a farmer, you can check and monitor the farm conditions. This section provides critical information such as weather conditions and the current herd, crop, and forage conditions. As you can see, this is the farm management form. You have 2 ways to manage your farm. The first way is through the interactive map-based or through this management form. As you can see, you can change or input some information related to the forage. We have the grassland area, the grass height. We have the crop type, the crop area. And finally, you can input some information regarding the herd size, breed, average age, and weight. Of course, we have the health status and feed supplements. Now, as you can see, this is the web interface to access the reports and historical statistics about different farms. Our system offers robust reporting features, including multiple farm simulations, data visualization for easier interpretation. Of course, we have recommendations based on both historical and forecast data. And finally, you have the option to export these reports. So in this interface, you can see on the left side, we have the simulation results options. You can change the forecast period. It supports up to 5 days in the future of weather, crop, and forage forecasts. You can see also the weather informations. Of course, we have both historical and forecast weather informations. You can access the temperature, humidity, precipitation, and so on. So as a farmer, you can make alerts or take alerts from the system and make better decisions in the future or maybe in the present. On the right side, you can see you can access the forage production over time. This includes both informations of forage in the past, in the present, and in the future. It's the same thing applies for feed needs, also crop production and milk yield over time. As you can see, this is the milk yield over time on the left side. These informations are predicted and provided by our system based on the farmer input. On the right side, you can also access or compare the forage production versus the feed needs, so you can make better decisions. And finally, in this web interface, you can estimate the crop yield, as you can see on the left side. And the best thing in the system, it can provide you some recommendations in a type of messages, as you can see on the right side. Diego Farm, it says surplus of 85 kilogram, consider storing excess forage grass. We have many other messages and very great recommendations from the system. Now we have also implemented in our decision support system some great features such as team management. So as an agricultural manager, you can manage your team members, assign them some tasks or maybe some events. So this is the great feature you can use to manage your team members. In this web interface, you can see the event management. You can manage events. Of course, by creating or editing any event, all team members will be notified through notifications. Here, as you can see, you have a task management board. So you can assign, edit, or manage your members' tasks. And the most important feature in our system, you can access a weather reports interface. This will provide you with accurate and detailed weather reports. Of course, forecasts, including temperature, wind, precipitation. This is a very important feature that will help farmers to staying alert and optimize their farm operations. This is the last feature. You can manage your account by setting your name, last name. So overall, our system is built for security, scalability, and performance. These characteristics ensure it can adapt to various farm operations, size, and complexity, because in the future, it can be used by a lot of thousands of farmers. So we run some performance testing to demonstrate how strong throughput our server and how it can handle light and heavy loads. As you can see in this interface, for example, one single user can send up to 100 requests to our server, so he can simulate and access farm reports or statistical informations. So we run this performance testing to ensure the system stay up to date and return the best it can handle different farm operations in less than 2 seconds. And in this slide, you can scan this QR code to visit and start using our decision support system, which is already deployed and ready to use. And thank you so much, everyone, for your attention.